Classic, iconic, legendary. Welcome everyone on this Vegas Monorail, a walking tour of the Flamingo Hotel Casino, Las Vegas. The Flamingo is connected to the Link Promenade, an open area offering shopping, dining, and entertainment, including an observation wheel and zip lines. At the entrance to the Link Promenade is where you'll find Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, an airy island-influenced flamingo venue offering food, cocktails, and entertainment, plus an outdoor patio. You can enjoy a cheeseburger in paradise or get wasted away on their all-day $7 happy hour specials. There is also a Margaritaville store where you can load up on Margaritaville themed merchandise. Next up is Bird Bar, a quirky flamingo Las Vegas watering hole featuring eye-catching colorful bird cages overhead, beer pong tables, and an outdoor patio right on the Las Vegas Strip. If you happen to be looking for the most affordable people-watching bar on the Strip, this is your place. The Flamingo was the first luxury resort to be built on what would become known as the Las Vegas Strip. Mobster Benjamin Bugsy Siegel overtook the final phases of its construction and opened the Flamingo on December 26, 1946. And even though that opening was a big flop, the Flamingo would soon reopen to be extremely successful. However, not so much for Bugsy Siegel, as he was shot dead by a sniper in his Beverly Hills mansion on June 20th, 1947. As we enter the casino floor, here is Flamingo Wine and Spirits, offering a selection of liquor, wine, beverages, snacks, and tobacco items, open 24 hours. Also open 24 hours is Bugsy's Bar, located in the center of the casino floor. The Flamingo Casino measures at 72,000 square feet and supports over 55 table games and 870 slot and gaming machines. The Flamingo Showroom is home to two shows, the critically acclaimed comedy and magic of Piff the Magic Dragon and RuPaul's Drag Race, where you can experience world-famous drag queens dishing out Las Vegas realness. At the time of this recording, the Flamingo Food Court is being updated into a food hall. Currently, there is a Johnny Rockets and a Bananos New York Pizzeria. And coming soon, there will be a Wing Zone, a Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs, and a Auntie Anne's Pretzels. For years now, some people have been referring to the Flamingo as the Dirty Bird. And for a good reason. The Flamingo has been running the city's hottest topless revue for more than 20 years now. The X Burlesque show is a steamy topless experience that gives guests an eyeful of each of these gorgeous ladies as they strut their stuff on the stage.
You dirty bird. How could you?
Now walking along the X bar on the casino floor towards the Flamingo lobby. Located between the casino floor and the lobby is the Wayne Newton Theater and box office. Wayne, up close and personal, presents the legendary entertainer in an intimate setting where he will interact with the audience, perform some favorite songs, and share personal career highlights through songs, film clips, anecdotes, and audience Q&A. And here is the very big and always very busy Flamingo lobby and registration area. In this area there is a coffee bar, a lobby bar, Caesars Rewards desk, hotel elevators, and a long check-in line that relies heavily on mobile check-in, self-check-in automated machines. Here is the Valet entrance to the Flamingo with its classic Vegas style. Continue going east from the lobby and you will find the Flamingo Promenade. This is a shopping corridor that leads to the parking garage and the Las Vegas Monorail. Here's a peek at the Flamingo's fabulous pool area. If you'd like to see more about the Las Vegas Monorail, check out the video I made. I put a link in the description box below. Now heading back out on the casino floor from the lobby, here is Carlos and Charlie's and the Flamingo Sportsbook. Here's the Caesars Race and Sportsbook at the Flamingo. Here you can wager and experience the electrifying world of horse racing and sporting events. Right next to the sportsbook is Carlos and Charlie's, offering authentic Mexican fare and cocktails in a festive and casual environment. Including patio seating that overlooks the beautiful Flamingo courtyard. And next, here is Garden Bar, an elevated bar that features tropical cocktails and offers a perfect view of the beauty and nature of the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. And right across from Garden Bar is Bugsy & Myers Steakhouse, an upmarket eatery offering steaks and cocktails in an elegant retro atmosphere, plus a speakeasy. The restaurant gets its name in part from organized crime figure Meyer Lansky, who helped finance the construction of the Flamingo and was Bugsy Siegel's childhood friend. Continue down the hallway and there's some grab-and-go essentials and some more shops, and the exit to the Link Hotel Casino, the Link Promenade, and the High Roller Observation Wheel. And at the center of it all is the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. This habitat is home to many wildlife species, including flamingos, swans, ducks, koi fish, and turtles. The Flamingo Wildlife Habitat has no admission fees, is family friendly, and is a great place to escape the hustle and buzz of the Las Vegas Strip. If you're enjoying this content, show your support and hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.